this video we are doing poses that you can do during your workday. If you are working on a computer and you are sitting a lot, these are the poses for you. And this is really short thing that I'm showing you next, so you can do that during your workday. These few poses are designed for you to do during your workday and when you spend your days sitting and being on the computer. So I hope you enjoy, and remember to comment, like and subscribe to this video. Let me know how it felt. So you can be seated. Bring your palms onto your knees. With your inhalation, lift up your gaze, bring your shoulders back and down, and with your exhalation, bring your chin to chest and round your upper back. Inhale, lift up your gaze, shoulders back and down, and exhale, round your back. And you can do these for like 5 times. And as an option to this one, you can also do following: standing up, bringing your hands onto your shoulders, inhale, lifting up your gaze, bringing your shoulders back and down, and exhaling, bringing your elbows together and rounding your upper back. Then also from standing pose, lift up your hands overhead, and with your exhalation, come onto your side bend. Inhale, lift yourself in the middle. Exhale, come to your side bend. Again, inhale, the middle. And you can do these 5 rounds for each side. Next, lift your right ankle above your left knee and sit down a little. And from here, lift your arms to your shoulder level in the front, and then open your arms to your side and open your chest. And just breathe here. Find your core, belly button in and up a little, and then switching sides. So you can be here for like 5 breaths. So left ankle above your right knee, opening your chest, engaging your core. And again, continuing here, opening your chest. So bring your palms, your hands onto your table, and just bring your head in between your arms and lengthen your spine, opening your chest. And again, 4 or 5 breaths here. And of course, if you can stay longer, that's excellent. Then lifting yourself up, then interlock your fingers behind your back, opening your chest, and come onto your forward fold. Wherever you land on your forward fold, keep a little bend in your knees. And again, 5 to 10 breaths here. And then lifting yourself up, releasing. Lift your arms up overhead, bring your right arm under your left, and then start lifting your elbows a little bit above your shoulder line and bringing them back to your shoulder line. And doing this for like 5 times. And then releasing, inhaling again, your arms up, now left under your right, bring your palms together, and then again lift your elbows above your shoulder level and bringing them back down. And then staying on the shoulder level for a few breaths. And now the next one is similar what we have already done. So with your inhalation, open your chest, lift up your gaze, and exhale, bring your arms forward, let your head drop in between your hands. Again, inhale, open, exhale, round your upper back, bring your chin to chest, and continue these for 5 times. And last one, Grab hold of your right ankle, make sure that your knees are leveled, and from here start leaning forward. You can have your left hand on your table. Just do a little bit opening here on your hip. Coming back down, switching sides. Grab hold of your left ankle and make sure that your knees are leveled, and then start leaning forward. And again, your right hand can rest on the table. And then releasing, and then you can continue on with your day. And I hope you enjoyed it, and remember to comment, like and subscribe. Have a lovely day and namaste.